Hi viewers, today we are reviewing some of the best garden beds available in the market. We have selected these products according to their price, durability, and user satisfaction. Check the description box below for more information about the listed products. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more product reviews. On number 5 we have Keter Urban Garden Bed. You will love our modern garden bed for its convenience. And if you suffer from arthritis or chronic pain, you will appreciate its ergonomic design. You can take your gardening efforts to the next level with the Urban Bloomer Elevated Garden Bed from Keter. You do not need a house in the country to enjoy farm fresh produce and herbs. Whether you want to become more self-sufficient, reduce grocery costs, or just savor the flavor of freshly picked fruits and veggies. On number 4 we have Best Choice Garden Bed. It is made of natural Chinese fir wood to provide a gardening solution constructed to last through every season. Its pre-sanded panels come built with dovetail joints, slide together and lock in place with screw-fastened posts for a quick, sturdy assembly. Its 8-foot garden bed provides ample space for plants to grow with an inner to separate the wood from the soil and keep it in excellent condition. It has separate and sort various types of plants, vegetables, fruits and flowers with the included middle divider. On number 3 we have Lifetime Garden Bed. The Lifetime Raised Garden Bed Kit contains an early start clear vinyl plastic tent enclosure and 2 4x4 garden beds that can be used separately or stacked for an extra deep bed. It is designed with 8 easy-to-assemble interlocking panels of polyethylene plastic with rust-resistant zinc-coated screws. The interlocking panels create the sidewalls and a weed barrier creates the bottom of this raised garden bed. On number 2 we have Best Choice Garden Bed. It is built with a set of locking wheels to move the planter from place to place and capture the right amounts of sun and shade. It stands 32 inches tall, making it perfect for those who struggle to bend down or lean over while gardening. It has separates wood from the soil, keeping planter in excellent condition and preventing weeds and pests from interfering with plant growth. On number 1 we have Povkever Garden Bed. It is made of non-woven fabric, a highly durable non-woven fabric that provides exceptional airflow throughout the soil and root systems and allows excess water to easily drain away. It can be unfold, fill and grow, and it is ideal for an herb garden, small flower garden or vegetables. You can easy to storage this. When the growing season is over, simply empty the earth out of the fabric bag and pack it away. Hope this review helps you to finalize product according to your need.